Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're looking for your next Bluetooth speaker, the Monster S310 is where it's at. First off, everybody wants to know, what does it sound like? So have a listen. So as you can hear, crystal clear sound. I love the sound that comes out of the speaker. No matter which volume it's on, it comes out so crisp. It's the perfect little size to take with you everywhere. It has a super long battery life. You can have up to 24 hours of listening time. And when you need to charge it, it's a USB charger, really simple. It pairs very easily to all kinds of devices.
Your device is connected.
In fact, it can also pair to another Monster speaker. So you can have two of these and have it be a bit of a surround sound feel. Something I love is it's water resistant, so you can take this with you anywhere. We like to have it outdoors with us all the time, in the hot tub, in the snow, in the rain, it doesn't matter. You can take this with you because it can resist all of those elements. Very simple display, obviously your power, your volume settings, your Bluetooth, not much to it, easy to learn. It also comes with a cord, so if you want to hook it onto a backpack, take it with you on the go, very easy to do that as well. So if you're looking for a speaker that sounds incredible, honestly guys, this is such a great speaker. It works really easily, lasts a long time, water resistant. What more can you want? I know you're gonna love this one from Monster, and that's my point of view.